Hello, welcome back. This is Wahome. Yup, that's how you pronounce my name. It's not Wahome, it's Wahome. Alright, so for this video, we want to go ahead and look more into flutterflow. And this is what we're going to be building. So it's an extension of what we did in the previous video. So I have two input fields here, and what I want to check is if that account has no pin, I want to take them to the create pin area. And then when they come to the create pin area, they are going to enter the pin. The pin has to be similar, so we cannot have two pins that are not the same. So we are going to be writing a condition, creating a condition that's going to be checking if this is equals to this, or rather if this is not equals to this. You see, so basically that's what we want. So let's go ahead and do that, and we're going to be doing that on button click. So this is going to be on button click. So what I did is I created another input field. So just create the same way we did. If you notice, I just created a duplicate of whatever we have, and we have these already. So there we go. Now we're going to click on this button here, and you're going to go to our actions. Okay, sorry, this is for the row. We need the button itself here. Then go to the flow action flow editor, and what we need to do now is add a conditional action. Now the conditional action is going to allow us to first check for condition before conducting the action. We're going to go select the condition here, and we're going to select the first field. So the first value is going to be coming from the widget state. Remember, we have two text boxes. The first one is enter pin, the other one is confirm pin. We're going to capture the enter pin first, and you're going to select here where it's not equal to. So you can also say if it's set not empty, whatever, but we are going to be using not equal to. Now the second value is going to be the second text box, which is going to be coming from variable, and when we come here we're going to go to the widget state and confirm password. So we need to check that both of those are equal. Now once you do a condition, there's a true or false. Now what happens if it's true? Okay, now for this situation you're going to be having two things. Now the true is going to be based on the value that is here, the condition that is here. Look, the condition checks for if pin is not equal to confirm pin. Okay, so that is going to be a true if it's not equal. So to give an error, you have to do it in the true. If it's equal, then you have to do it in the false. However, you could do the same thing the other way around. So we could come here and say if this is equals to. So in this situation, we are going to now be having the true as if the passwords are equal, then the true is going to be that now the passwords are equal, you can do something else. So let's have it that way. So if passwords are equal, what we want to do is navigate to another page. But for this situation, what you're going to do first is add an action, which is going to show us a snack bar. Remember, we looked at snack bar in the previous video. So the snack bar is just going to say all right, so your pins match, you can go ahead. All right, so say pins match, something like that. And then I'm just going to select the background color, which is going to be green. I don't know if this is green or what it is, but it looks something like green to me. All right, there we go. Now if the password are not correct, we are going to terminate this and give an error. So you're going to add an action. So it's going to be add an action, which is going to be a snack bar. Go ahead and look for that snack bar. It's somewhere at the bottom here. There you go. Snack bar. Alright, I saw it somewhere, but I don't think I'm going to have to wait for that snack bar. So here it is. And the color is going to be red, and then you're going to come here and say it's going to be coming from specific, and you're going to say pins don't match. There you go. And then after it says pins don't match, we can terminate it. So let's have a background color of red, like if that is red. All right, then you could terminate it, or you could add a delay. I think I saw something delay somewhere, wait delay, something like this. You could wait for like 1 minute, then terminate it. So that's up to you. So the best way to understand this stuff is for you to try it yourself. And then I think that flutterflow is very easy and straightforward, that you don't even need to be told what that does, like it explains it for you, so they don't have like so many fancy jargons that you need to worry about. There we go. So this should be working, and once we get this snack bar working, and then we can wait for a delay. Let's do a delay and navigate to another page. So we're going to say wait delay. We're going to wait for 1 second, and then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to navigate to another page. So we're going to come here. So this is my pin. Okay, navigate to. So I need to go to our payment access page. So this is what you're going to be having for now. This is a page I've already created. You're going to be having that. We might have an issue there, but not to worry, because there's some parameters I need to be passed, but don't worry about that for now. So click on OK, and there we go. So I have some errors I need to fix here. I'm not going to bore you with those errors. I'm just going to pause them. So they're not errors from this session we have, so it's just some previous session. Alright, so just solve that, and let's just now go ahead and enter the pin area. So let's go to the pins, and we're just going to add this to the button we did like last time. We did something like last time. Okay, so let's go to the home page, and you're going to change this button here. The click event is going to go to a whole different page. It's supposed to take us to navigate to create pin. So it's a new page that we have there. I should go to create pin. Navigate to. Going to create pin. Create pin. There you go. That's what we want. And click on run. That should give us some stuff to work with. Alright, so there we go. Now let's just go ahead and click on this button. We have the enter pin. So I'm going to type something weird. So 132. Let me type something wrong here. There you go. Pins don't match. Now let's type something that is the same. 1 2 3 4 5. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5. There you go. Pins match. Wait for some seconds, then goes to the payment complete page. Very awesome. So that's how you do this stuff. So it's very much easy. So what you would do, for example, when you click on that button, one that says create pin, while you click this and the pins match, you would want to like run a query that is going to like maybe complete the payment. So you could call an API there that's going to complete the payment, and then pass some parameters to this page, and then display your stuff. So that is something you're going to be looking at. So don't worry about that for now. For now, we just want you to do the basics. And I realized that in the previous videos, we didn't have the mouse cursor displaying on the screen. So don't worry about that. Something I'm going to fix in the previous coming videos. So see you in the next one. Have fun making apps.